Hello friends, now we discuss how can we transform the Cartesian coordinates in polar coordinates, or we can transform how can we transform polar coordinates into Cartesian coordinates। अब हम लोग सीखेंगे कि कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट्स को कैसे पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं या पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट को कैसे कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है। सो फर्स्ट वी ड्रा हियर, सपोज दिस द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, this is x-axis, and this vertical line, this is y-axis, and O be the origin here. Suppose this horizontal line is x-axis, this vertical line is y-axis, and this O is the point origin. Suppose this is the P point on this Cartesian plane, OP. Now we draw perpendicular PM from P point on the x-axis and draw perpendicular Pn from y-axis. Now let us suppose that the Cartesian coordinates of P point be x comma y. So this OM is equal to x here and PM this is equal to y here. Let us suppose that the Cartesian coordinate of P point be x comma y. So this OM is equal to x and PM is equal to y. आप देख सकते हैं ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एक्स एक्सिस है, ये वर्टिकल लाइन वाई एक्सिस है। दिस प्लेन इज नोन एज कार्टेशियन प्लेन। हियर P इज एनी पॉइंट ऑन दिस प्लेन। ड्रा परपेंडिकुलर PM फ्रॉम P पॉइंट ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस। P पॉइंट से एक्स एक्सिस पर ये परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया गया है PM। नाउ ज्वाइन P विद ओरिजिन OP। दिस इज, लेट अस सपोज दैट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P पॉइंट बी x comma y. So this OM is equal to x and PM is equal to y. Here we can write OM is equal to x and PM is equal to y. Let us suppose that this angle MOP is equal to theta. So angle MOP this is equal to theta and OP this is equal to the radius vector small r. So the polar coordinate of P point can be written as r comma theta. Let us suppose that angle XOP or angle XOP or angle MOP this is equal to theta and this OP is equal to small r. This is OP is equal to small r. So the polar coordinate of P can be written as r comma theta. आप देख सकते हैं ये हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस एक्स एक्सिस है, ये वर्टिकल एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस है। O be the origin here, P be any point on this plane. Suppose that the Cartesian coordinate of P point be x comma y. So this OM is equal to x and this PM is equal to y. PM is the perpendicular drawn from P on the x axis. PM P point से x axis पर perpendicular ड्रॉप किया गया है। This is equal to y and OM this is equal to x because the Cartesian coordinate of P point be x comma y. Now suppose that angle XOP or angle MOP this is equal to theta and OP is equal to small r. So the polar coordinate of P be r comma theta. Now we find out in triangle POM we find here cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So AM upon OP, OM upon OP, OM is here x and OP is r. So x can be written as r cos theta. Similarly we find here sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is PM here and hypotenuse is OP here. PM is equal to y and OP is small r. So y is equal to r sin theta. आप देख सकते हैं ट्रायंगल POM में जब cos थीटा फाइंड करेंगे तो बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज होगा। बेस यहाँ OM है, हाइपोटेन्यूज OP है। सो cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू OM अपॉन OP. OM is equal to small x and OP is equal to the radius vector small r. So x is equal to r cos theta. Similarly, when find sin theta in this triangle, so sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we can write PM upon OP. So PM is y here and OP is the radius vector is small r, so y is equal to r sin theta. So this is the relation between the Cartesian coordinates x, y and polar coordinates r, theta. Now when we add these x and y, we get here x square plus y square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Taking common r square, we get here cos square theta plus sin square theta, and this is equal to 1. So r square is equal to x square plus y square. When we divide r sin theta from r cos theta, this is equal to y upon x. So this r is cancelled out, sin upon cos, this is tan theta is equal to y upon x. So tan, taking tan right hand side, we get theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. So this is the relation between the Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates. Thank you.